Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's look I am showing you how to apply eyeshadows perfectly. Make sure your eyebrows are perfectly shaped. You don't want texture over texture. It doesn't look good. To make all of the colors pop and my eyebrows look sharp and neat, I am gonna clean it up with the concealer underneath my brows and all over the lid. Now for the eyeshadow, first I am taking a transition color and apply above the crease. Now start working on your outer corner of your eye where you have to give some dimensions. And now I am start blending that harsh lines, and for that I am holding the brush at the end so I can get more smooth and airbrush look. Now I am taking more color and apply like I done previously for build up the colors. Remember, always start with the less colors, because if you apply too much at the starting, then there's no going back and it will become darker and darker. I'm taking my time to blend my eyeshadows really well because these eyeshadows are really pigmented. I want my crease and my outer corner of the eye even more darker. For that I'm using the burgundy eyeshadows from that same palette and making it even more dark and smooth. I'm taking little bit of a color at a time and blend it really well. With the big fluffy blending brush, I am blending the edges so there is no harsh line. I don't apply too much pressure to blend the colors. Here I am barely touch the skin. For my inner eyelid, I am applying this light eyeshadow. It's like a banana powder and I am applying with my fingers. You can also use shimmer eyeshadows or a glitter eyeshadows for this step. Now with the same blending brush, I am blending that light color into the crease color and make sure everything is nice and blended. Blending is the key to perfect eyeshadow look. So take your time and blend your eyeshadows really well. Now you can add false lashes and eyeliner to finish this look. You can wear this look at daytime and also nighttime. I hope you like this detailed eyeshadow look. Comment down below what you think about this look and also what you like to see next. I would love to do it for you guys. I will see you in my next one. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.